Hey everyone, Charting Man Dan from ChartGuys.com. You know, behind every single video that we put out every single day, there's a wonderful community of traders that we want to invite you to be a part of. Try the free 7-day trial and gain access to our live market broadcasts every morning and afternoon, interact with hundreds of like-minded traders, or take part in one of our dedicated chat rooms, each led by an analyst that's there to answer your questions in real time. Our trial is risk-free with absolutely no commitment or credit card required to experience the TCG community. For those looking for a head start in technical analysis, check out our entries and exits course in the link below in the description. Get up to speed with the fundamentals of TCG technical analysis and experience over 5 hours of great community-driven trading education.
Hey guys, James with Chart Guys. It's Thursday, June 8th. It is June 8th. Going to do my nightly video on natural gas. So natural gas still holding this uptrend line. As I've mentioned in my videos, I'm going to wait for this 4 EMA here, currently at 3.072. To become support for me to take any type of position in natural gas long. Hopefully it'll flatten out here as we find a price range here. So we have this low at 2.935. We have this high at 3.095, and so this needs to be the higher low here. And we'll see if we set a lower high here, or when we range here, or if we're able to gain that 4 EMA on the daily, and that's where I will seek a position here. And on the weekly, what it looks like, let's see, the weekly charts. Let me remove this. Actually, I can leave that on there. So the weekly, we're setting higher highs. Let me get my pointer here. We're still setting higher lows. Higher lows here. So we have this low, we have this high, we have a higher low. Looks like we have a lower high here, and so far a higher low. So we'll see if we do something like this, or equilibrium pattern, and see which way it breaks one way or the other, as long as this the low here of 2.88 doesn't break. If we break that, then that pattern is completely broken, and we're doing is setting lower highs and lower lows. And on the daily, with that trend line there, it definitely has the potential to be a I guess they call it a longer term, potentially a head and shoulder pattern. Psychology is there. So we have this left shoulder, we set this high, we're unable to break that high, and if we break this line here, then it could be potentially bear break of that psychological head and shoulder pattern there. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.